We are at Rutledge Falls, and we're on our way down to it. I'm sure you can hear it. But look at this, what we ran across. Brick wall there. Made it across the steep place there. And then here, check this out. We are speaking of fall, there's a little fall right there. But that ain't it. But check that out, you can break back in there. That's pretty cool. I'm about halfway down to the falls, and I want you to see it from here. Because I mean, look, you can see it from bottom all the way to the top up there. Isn't that pretty cool? I think it is. And listen to that sound for a few seconds. Alright, let's go get some more closer. Alright, I'm shooting this 8x7 4K 30, of course, just to see what it looks like. Definitely very wide. Alright, now this is standard 4K 30 linear. Still gets the whole thing, which is very nice. And how does that look compared to the other? I caught a mermaid on video. So, pretty nice looking, right? I think it is. Okay, this is ultra slow-mo, which is only going to be at 2.7K, but down to 240 seconds. I mean, 240 frames a second. So I'm going to try to slow this one down. Tell me what you think of it. Okay, now this is as close as I can get to these falls. You can see how spectacular this is, and boy it is. But look at these little ones even here. You'll see why it's so loud. Look at these. Even these little slow ones over here. Now check this out. with some of the clips I've been showing.